Hi everyone, here we've got ALCATEL U5 HD, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and now we have to scroll down in order to find the security option. It should be on the second position in the personal section. So let's tap on the security, and as you can see in device administration, we've got unknown sources option. So in order to turn on this feature, so in order to allow the apps to download some content, simply tap on the switcher. As you can see here, we've got the info that some third-party apps are not verified by the developers, so your phone and personal data are more vulnerable to attack by apps from unknown sources, and actually that you are doing it on your own responsibility. So if you're ready, just tap on OK. And as you can see, since this switcher is active, then it means that we just allowed the installation of apps from unknown sources. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want. All you have to do is to just tap on the switcher again. So actually that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your ALCATEL U5 HD. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.